In this Blender how-to video, we're going to be able to create some hair using particle system and things we learned before with, say, tapering and some beveling. I'll show you what I mean, but this is just like to make our hair process really much faster rather than create individual strands and move things around. So yeah, let's delete this. Shift A. We're going to do the monkey. So two ways. We need a vertex group. We can either create one by selecting the faces we want the hair to come out of and then creating a vertex group here, or we can do something like what's called weight painting. So we just put it where we want it. So press 7 like that. That's pretty good. Okay, that's where we want our hair. And so if we go down here, we see that it already created a vertex group and we just name it hair. Again, you can do this manually. All right, go back to edit mode. Let's go back to object mode. We're going to add a particle system and we're going to do hair like that. And again, we don't want this big, so we're gonna do like 100 strands. Actually, let's make it really simple because we don't want to kill this. 20 strands, barely a meter tall, and we want it to just be on that vertex group where our hair should come out of. So there's pretty good. All right, now let's go to 3 side view. We're going to go to particle edit. Let's change up our hair. Increase the radius here so we can move it around, comb it, or smooth it. Like that. Alright, that's what we want for our hair. It's not bad. Go back to object mode. You still see your hair. Okay, go back to the particle system right here and we're going to do convert to mesh, and then we're going to do object convert curve, and then just make sure keep original. Nice. Now we have our hair right here, and we're going to do some edit here in the nerves curve, right? So we're going to change the shape of what his hair strands are going to look like, and then we're going to do some tapering so it looks a little better. All right. Shift A, go to curve, circle. I don't think that's the right one. Shift A, curve, circle. Let's go with the nerve circle, GX, right here. Let's make this smaller because otherwise our strands are gonna, our hair is gonna look way too big when we actually add it. So then go to select your hair, nerves, geometry, object, select right here. Ooh, that is big. Okay, let's fill that, those caps. We're gonna make this a little smaller. There. But then we got our shaped hair. We're gonna change up the shape a little bit more. So go to edit mode, tab. Again, remember we can add some more subdivisions to this if we want to make it smooth things out just a bit. Right, and then we're gonna do these two. We're gonna do some proportional editing. S like that. Then take proportional editing off. Let's do S. That looks weird. All right. nice hair. Let's do our tapering so it looks a little more normal. Shift A, curve, base ear, GX, move over here, then select your hair again. Now let's do tapering right here. As you can see, now we got kind of that leaf looking hair. And we just got to modify this a little bit more. So tab edit mode. Okay, that's what we want. S. Oh, sweet. No, that's good. Taper right there. And again, we can also add more subdivisions to this so we can modify things further. Like that. All right. Now we got some nice looking hair strands. And that's about it. Hope that helped and wasn't too long. Until next time.